Look at me. I am the captain now.
How you all doing today? Oh, nice shot, Lowry. Yeah, I know. I'm gonna have to break up. Let's get it.
Oh, sideways. Rolled it.
Oh,
I see you.
at my summer life. Oh, poop truck. What? Apparently I'm Superman. I didn't know.
Oh, dirty dog, you.
What? Look at that. Look it up there in the sky. Look in the sky. See it? It seems easier to me. Oh man, is this where I get killed by lightning? Oh, it is. Oh, I called it.
Damn.
Whoa. Did you see that?
What happened? We can rebuild them better than before. We have the technology. You can't stop the Lex. Can't stop that Lex.
Hey Lex, looks like you survived the flood of 2021.
I just wanted to welcome you back to streaming, man. I just wanted to say thank you for being one of the most amazing people I've ever had the chance to meeting this community.
You built a community that was absolutely amazing. I missed it. When it came to like the height of the pandemic, you really like boosted my own self-esteem, my own energy, because you have energy that just kind of spreads throughout your community that you've built.
Lex is amazing, dude. He's got all like the toys. He's got all the neat tricks. His stream is like everything that I want my stream to be.
Every time I watch him, I feel like I'm watching like a full-on broadcast about something important.
He plays some of the most weirdly wonderful games that I've been able to catch. And how can we not forget about that golden voice that he uses to get everyone so amped up?
Lex Lager, he is the most sexy, incredible, amazing voice.
Fantastic things on the Twitch stream, and he has a voice like butter. I'll tell you right now, this guy has an amazing voice.
But Lex is a very, very awesome guy. He has one of the best streams I have seen on Twitch.
He's the man. He's got a plan. He's on Twitch. He ain't no Lex.
I can't wait to see what adventures you'll be on soon. And everyone else, if you're not watching Lex, you should be. Cheers, friends.
Lex is back, baby!
Your force of nature. A force of nature either Mother Nature can't take away.
You have an amazing spirit, taking the hit you did, and coming back and bouncing from it's just amazing. And I wish you all the best lucks.
You're always an inspiration to me, and I'm really thankful to be able to call you a friend. So, welcome back, man.